There's a house, which is the personal self. And when you're doing a building, okay, that's more so, that just depends upon what it is. So it can be, I'm going to give you an example. One of the people that were on the group here, he had an experience on the real side where connected to his house was a giant auditorium, okay? And because he's a musician, all right, he told me the experience, and I said, what you're being shown is the possibility, because you're a musician, and what is an auditorium? This is where you're like on stage, you're playing the music, and here this would represent like the new you sharing it, and then you'll have all these people coming. So if he's building a building, that shows that more than the personal self, okay, that's something that he's building for others or for the public, you see. And as an example, it could be an auditorium where he goes there, or a school or university where he goes there and he talks to people. They come there to hear him. So he's building it for others, you see, because it's bigger than just his personal self. This is where we learn to be bigger than just our little self, and see more than just our little self, but we start to do for others, and then eventually we stand with all life, you see. So that's the idea. The cell phone is communication. And so, batteries wear out, like lifetimes and old bodies, they wear out. So he gets a new one. And it takes a few moments because he's decided to get a new one. You see the idea there. So his battery wore out. Now he's deciding it. So the guide is saying, yes, okay, we'll get you a new one, because he's continually deciding to step up, you see. So he will be recharged with something new. The USA means United States. And so again, this is referring to the many levels, okay? In other words, the United States of all, not America, but all. And so that's what it's referring to, the many levels. So his new battery will work. In other words, his new communication will work through all levels. As you keep deciding to be wonderful, it will happen.